Thinking of using starpets.gg to trade your Adopt Me pets and wondering if it's actually worth the risk? Starpets.gg is an unofficial third-party marketplace designed specifically for Adopt Me players on Roblox, allowing users to buy, sell, or trade in-game pets through a virtual currency system. At first glance, the platform seems appealing. It's fairly well established, widely recognized in the community, and offers active customer support, with some users even sharing success stories of smooth trades and rare pet deals. These positives might make it seem like a go-to option for players looking to get ahead. However, once you dig deeper, the cracks start to show. The platform is known for frequent errors, slow response times from support, and most importantly, it carries the serious risk of getting your Roblox account banned since it's not officially affiliated with the game. Many users have reported frustrating experiences, from long wait times to failed trades and lack of timely resolution. Reviews are highly mixed. While some users praise it for its convenience and ease of use, others warn against it due to instability and potential consequences. We analyzed all the details, including how the platform operates, common user complaints, and actual results from the community. So before you jump into any trades, watch this full review to find out whether starpets.gg is a reliable shortcut or a dangerous gamble.